Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. In this video I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to colorize your black and white photo. Although this feature is only available in the latest version of Photoshop, it is one of the great features that they have added so far. This filter is called colorize, where it uses AI to get the exact color or as close as possible to reality. To do that, go to Filter and choose Neural Filters. Look for Colorize and enable it. The default is Auto Color Image, and we can leave it as it is. But you can still adjust some parts by adding some focal points and assigning some colors to them. To do that, in the black and white thumbnail on the upper right of the screen, click on which part of the image you want to change the color. And in the Color Picker window, you may choose what color you want to apply to the part selected. Once done, click OK. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.